Hi, I'm Steve Logan, and this is the 90-second crash course on LED controllers. Everyone's heard of LED lights at this point. They're great for energy-efficient headlights, home lighting, smart speakers, doorbells, or my favorite, the sensory overload that comes from the entertaining amusement games in Japan. Now, in order to turn these LEDs on and off, you need an IC called the LED controller, or LED driver. There are different types of controls for driving LEDs. Maybe you need a simple switch to turn a status indicator LED on and off. Maybe you want to have multiple LEDs blink on and off at different rates, or brighten and dim with pulse width modulation. Or you could use a combination of all three of those. That's where LED controllers become a great choice. The typical selection criteria for LED controllers includes number of LED channels, simple on-off control or a combination of red, green, and blue, output current drive, and control interface. NXP offers a wide range of LED controllers, from 2 channels up to 24, currents up to 100 milliamps, and voltages up to 40 volts. The LEDs can be controlled through voltage or current sources. These products also offer SPI or I2C control, with a high degree of programmability and flexibility. Rated for automotive applications to consumer and everything in between, NXP has you covered. For more information, visit nxp.com/LED controllers, and thanks for watching.